Next up, we have Kantamini Sai Sri Lalita. You ready?
Ready.
Alright, let's go with the first question. A 250 ml glass is used to fill two vessels with capacity of 3 liters and 1 liter respectively. Each time I fill the glass, I pour 150 ml into the large vessel and the rest into the small vessel. How many times must I repeat this till at least one vessel is filled? The time starts now. Options being A 10, B 12, C 8 and D none of the above.
And D.
Let's go with option D. The wrong answer. A was the right answer. Next up, we have Chundru Ishani from Trips International School, East Godavari. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's go with the first question. There are 5250 male students in a small town. The number of female students is 375 more than half the male student population. What is the total number of students in the town? And your time starts now. Your options being A 7500, B 8250, C 7875 or D none of the above.
Sir, option B.
Let's go with B. It's the right answer. Next up, we have Aditya Nanapaneni from PP Siddharth Public School. Alright, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's go with the next question, please. Varun has coins in his piggy bank that he uses to buy shoes worth rupees 590. There are 83 coins of rupees 5 and 78 coins of rupees 2. The remaining coins are 1 rupee. How many 1 rupee coins did he have? And your time starts now. A 29, B 21, C 18 and D 19. The right answer was D 19. Next up, can we have Pritika Lavanya from Chirek School, KP Branch, Hyderabad. Are you ready, Pritika? All the best. Alright, can we have the question? A clothing shop has 318 different designs of clothes. For 113 of those designs, they keep 3 sizes in stock, and for the remaining clothes, they keep 4 sizes in stock. How many items of clothing do they have totally? And your timer starts now. A 1139, B 1120, C 1119 or D.
B.
Alright, can we go with B? So sorry, B is the wrong answer. A, which is 1139, but very good try. Next up, we have Skanda Veerabhadra from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavans, Hyderabad. Let's go with the next question. We are planning to distribute water to poor people. Each large vessel can hold 2300 ml of water and each small vessel can hold 1500 ml of water. If I take 14 large vessels and 8 small vessels, how much water can I carry? And your time starts now. Your options being A 34.2 liters, B 42.2 liters, C 44.4 liters or D 40.
A.
A 34.2 liters? That's the wrong answer. Current answer being D. So good try. Up next, we have J. Nirmai from Vishwabharati English Medium School from Anantapur. Are you ready? A ball of nylon has 300 feet of nylon thread. First, 135 feet 10 inches is cut off for a shirt and half the rest is cut off for a pant. What is the length of the remaining thread? Your time starts now. Your options being A. 82 feet 6 inches, B. 82 feet 1 inch, C. 83 feet 6 inches.
C.
C was the wrong answer. The right answer was D. 87. Next up, we have Kondapalli Venkat Sai Mahir from Trips International School, East Godavari. Let's have the next question on the screen, please. How many tires do you need to make 450 cars, 175 rickshaws, and 125 motorbikes? And your time starts now. Your options being A. 2250, B. 750, C. 2575, or D. None of the above. Sorry, you're done with time. But if you could take a guess, what answer do you think it would be?
Option C, sir.
Option C. Can we check? Oh my god, that would have been the right answer only if you have told that in time. Next up, we have Sanvi Domakuntla from Don Bosco School, Hyderabad. The clock shows 6:25 p.m. How many times will the minute hand cross 12 by 1:55 a.m. the next morning? And your time starts now. The options being A. 420, B. 440, C. 450, or D. 360.
Option C, 450.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
That's the right answer. Alright, end of second round. We have 6 people who have qualified for the next round. And the 6 people namely being LNV Sriram Maditara, Karthikeya Nidumolu, Sanvi Domakuntla, Venkata Alok Dantu, J. Nirmay, and Chundru Ishani. Alright, now we're going to have another round where again it's the same thing, one question elimination. Alright, are we clear about that? So first up, we'll call LNV Sriram Maditara from DAV Public School, Safilgoda, Hyderabad. You ready? There are totally 1566 students in a school. Half of them are in primary school, 550 are in middle school, and the rest in high school. How many students are in high school? And your time starts now. Your options being A. 783, B. 233, C. 550, and D. 391. I'm sorry, you're out of time. But if you could take a wild guess as to the answer, what do you think the answer would be?
Option B.
Okay, let's check if option B is the right answer. Option B would have been the right answer. But you didn't answer in time, but it's okay. Alright, next up we have Karthikeya Nidumolu, who is already here. Complete the series. 743, 839, 935, dash 1127. You need to fill in the blank, okay? Your time starts now. Your options being A. 1031, B. 1131, C. 1035.
B.
Option B is the wrong answer. I'm so sorry. Next up, we have Venkata Alok Dantu from DAV Public School, Hyderabad. Alright, can we have the next question on the screen, please? Complete the series 263, 282, 301-339. So you have to fill in the blank. Alright? And your time starts now. Your options being A 318, B 321, C 319 and D 320.
D 320.
Let's go with D 320. Answer's right. Next up we have Chundru Ishani from Trips International School, East Godavari. Are you ready? All the best. Can we have the next question, please? I'm carrying cricket bats and tennis rackets to a picnic. Each bat weighs 2 kgs and racket weighs 1.25 kg. I can carry up to 26 kgs and I already have 8 bats packed. How many rackets can I carry? The time starts now and your options being A4, B6, C8 and D10.
Sir, option B.
Let's go with option B6. That's the wrong answer. Well done, not a bad try, you don't have to worry about that. Up next, we have J. Nirmai from Vishwabharati English Medium School from Anantapur. Are you ready? Alright. We are planning to have a water balloon fight. Each large balloon can hold 300 ml of water and each small balloon can hold 150 ml of water. If I plan to take 4 large balloons and 8 small balloons, how much water do I need? And your time starts now. Your options being A 2.5 liters, B 2.6 liters, C 2.7 liters and D 2.4 liters.
Option D.
Let's go with option D 2.4 liters. That's the right answer. Next up we have the final contestant, which is Sanvi Domakundla from Don Bosco School, Hyderabad. There are 4563 male students in a small town. There are 655 fewer female students. What is the total number of students in the town? Your options are as follows: A 9571, B 9781, C 5218 or D 8471. Time is up. I'm so sorry. What would you have guessed? Option C. Can we check if that's the right answer? That would have been the wrong answer as well. The correct answer is D 8471. End of the last round. 4 people have given wrong answers and 2 have given the right answers. But the 2 kids who have given the right answers will be competing for gold and silver, and the 4 other kids who have given the wrong answers will be competing for bronze. This is for the bronze medal. There will be 4 kids contesting for the same. So firstly, I would like to call Ellen V. Sriram Madhidra onto the seat. Alright, can we have the next question on the screen, please? Amit has 270 coins in his piggy bank. There are 55 coins of rupee 5, 145 coins of rupees 2. The remaining coins are rupee 1. How much money does he have in total? And your timer starts now. Your options being A rupees 625, B rupees 635, C rupees 565 or D none of the above. I'm sorry, the time is up, but if you could guess an answer.
Option B.
He's given the answer after me, which would have missed the right answer. Alright, next up we have Karthikeya Nedumolu. Are you ready? Can we have the next question on the screen, please? Reema has 68 pencils. She gave 24 pencils to Geeta and 27 pencils to Varun. How many pencils are left with Reema? Your time starts now. Your options being A14, B12, C17 and D18.
Option C17.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Let's go with option C17. That's the right answer. Next up, we have Chundru Ishani from the Trips International School, East Godavari. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright, can you have the next question, please? Seema has 58 pencils. She gave 23 pencils to Rita and 25 pencils to Ajay. How many pencils are left with Seema? And your time starts now. Your options being A14, B12, C10 and D8.
Sir, option C.
Alright, let's go with option C. That's the right answer. Next up, we have Sanvi Domakuntla from Don Bosco, Hyderabad. Ready?
Sir.
Can we have the next question, please? Each bottle of water contains 20 ml of water. How much liquid is present in 13 bottles? And your time starts now. A. 2.6 liters, B. 2.2 liters, C. 2.4 liters, or D. 2.8 liters.
Sir, option A.
Can we go with option A? That's the right answer. So now at the end of this round, we've got out of the 4 people, 3 of them have given the right answers. So we'll move to another round of elimination. All of them will be competing for bronze. First, like to again call Kartikeya Nidumolu from Kennedy High, the Global School, onto the seat. A 350 ml glass is used to fill 3 vessels with capacity of 3 liters, 1.5 liter and 1 liter respectively. Each time I fill the glass, I pour 150 ml into the first vessel, 125 ml into the second vessel and the rest into the third vessel. How many times must I repeat this till at least one vessel is filled? And your time starts now, the options being A10, B12, C8 and D20.
Option C.
Let's go with option C, 8. That's the wrong answer. Next up, I would like to call Chundru Ishani from Clips International School. Right, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Can we have the next question on the screen, please? Complete the series 444, 498, 552 hyphen 660. You need to fill the blank. Your time starts now. Your options being A 610, B 602, C 606 or D 604.
Sir, option C.
That's the right answer. Next up, we have Sanvi Domakuntla from Don Bosco, Hyderabad. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Can you have the next question, please? I'm carrying coconuts and watermelons to the market. Each coconut weighs 750 grams and watermelon weighs 2.25 kg. If I take 55 coconuts and 14 watermelons, how much does it weigh totally? Your time starts now. Your options being A 72.75 kg, B 70.25 kg, C 70.5 kg and D 72.5 kg.
Option A, 72.75 kg.
Can we go with option A, 72.75 kg? That's the right answer. So at the end of this round, we have again got 2 people who will be competing for bronze. So we'll start again from Chundru Ishani. Right, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Can we have the next question on the screen, please? There are 882 students in the school. Half of them are in primary school, 251 are in middle school and the rest in high school. If there are equal numbers of boys and girls, how many girls are in high school? Your time starts now and your options being A 190, B 95, C 200 and D 100.
B.
Can we please check option B? That's the right answer. Next up, we have Sanvi Domakuntla from Don Bosco, Hyderabad. Ready?
Sir.
Can we have the next question, please? Radha had 785 coins in her collection. She gave an equal number of coins to 5 of her friends and still has 235 coins remaining. How many coins did each friend receive? And your time starts now. Your options being A 110, B 100, C 130 or D 120.
Option A, 1.
Option A 110. Alright. Can we check with option A 110 if that's the right answer? That is the right answer. So it's again another it's a never ending process. I left home at 7:25 p.m. After that, I had a 17-minute auto rickshaw ride from home, followed by a 3-minute walk, followed by a 35-minute bus ride to my destination. What time did I reach? Your options are A 8:25 p.m., B 8:20 p.m., C 8:30 p.m. or
option B.
Can we go with option B, 8:20 p.m.? That's the right answer. There are 8 sprinters taking part in a 100 meters race. After a few seconds of the race starting, the last place sprinter has covered 44 meters and 25 centimeters. He is 11 meters and 45 centimeters behind the race leader. How far is the race leader from the finish? Your time starts now, and your options being A, 43.3 meters, B, 44.3 meters, C, 45.3 meters, or D, 66.5 meters.
Option C, 45.3 centimeters.
Can we go with option C, 45.3 meters, please? That's the wrong answer. Correct answer is B, 44.3 meters. So that decides we have Chandru Ishani as a bronze medal winner from category 1 of the Sakshi Math-B 2020. Now that we have decided the bronze winner, now we will be now 2 other kids, that is Venkata Alok Dantu and J Nirmay, will be competing for silver and gold medal. So first I would like to call Venkata Alok Dantu onto the stage. Are you all ready? Can we have the next question on the screen, please? An old grandfather clock makes a loud sound every time the hour hand strikes 12 and also every time the hour hand strikes 6. How many times does it make the sound between 6:45 am and 7:15 pm? Your time starts now, and your options are A, 24, B, 23, C, 26, and D. You have 5 seconds.
B.
Can we check if B is the right answer? Sorry, B is the wrong answer. The correct answer is D, which is 25. We have J Nirmay from Vishwa Bharati English Medium School from Anantapur. Are you ready? Alright. A big ferry boat makes 8 round trips from A to B every day. While going from A to B, it carries 275 passengers. While making the return journey, it carries 250 passengers. How many total passengers does it carry in a day? And your time starts now, with the options being A, 4000, B, 4200, C, 3800, and D, 4400.
Option B.
Are you sure about option B?
Yes.
Can we go with option B, 4200? That's the right answer. So after a long procedure, we have come to our winners. So our bronze winner is Chandru Ishani, our silver winner is Venkate Alok Dantu, and our gold winner is J Nirmay.
Give them a good round of applause while they come and receive the medals. May I call upon Chandru Ishani, who won the bronze medal. She won a 3,000 rupees cash prize, a gift hamper from Dukes. Forward for silver winner Venkata Alok Dantu, silver medal, cash prize of 5,000 rupees and a gift hamper from Dukes. Now the time is for gold. J Nirmay, Vishwa Bharati English Medium School, Anantapur. 8,000 rupees cash prize and a gift hamper from